Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, dear class 4. Welcome to week number 5. Open your workbook, page number 22. On page number 22, there is the written work regarding novel, chapter number 2. And we have already read out the novel, chapter number 2 in online class, right? First of all, write down the date and day on this page. Unit number 2, the pool of tears. Question answers. Which thing was the white rabbit holding? वाइट रैबिट ने क्या पकड़ा हुआ था अपने हाथ में? ही हैड टू ब्यूटीफुल ग्लव्स, दो खूबसूरत दस्ताने इन वन हैंड, एक हाथ में, एंड अ लार्ज फैन, और एक बड़ा पंखा इन अदर हैंड, दूसरे हाथ में. क्वेश्चन नंबर 2, वेयर डिड शी स्विम इन? एलिस कहाँ तैर रही थी? शी वॉज स्विमिंग, वो तैर रही थी, इन द पूल ऑफ टीयर्स, आंसुओं के तालाब में. ओके, मैच द राइट ऑप्शन और ए with the option B. I must be growing small again. The Duchess will be angry if I keep her waiting. Did I change? In the night, Alice thought that she had fallen into the sea. Number 5. The farmer says she will. He is very useful. Come to next page. Page number 84. On page number 84, there is a paragraph writing we have already discussed in online class. Now it's the turn of written work. My opinion. I like pizza better than burger because it is more tastier. It has cheese in it. My mother bakes it very well. It is spicy. It has more calories. It looks so yummy, crispy and cheesy. It has a soft crust. It is easy to make at home, but eating pizza every day could damage your health and digestive system badly. Okay, dear student, come to the next page, page number 85. On page number 85, they have said us to prepare a shopping list. Okay, we have already discussed the whole in class online. Okay, prepare your shopping list. Bread 15 rupees, onion 5 rupees, cheese 40 rupees, butter 40 rupees, cucumber 10 rupees, and egg 10 रुपीज़. टोटल जो बिल बना है वो क्या है, 120 रुपीज़ है. वो यहाँ पे कह रहे हैं कि अगर आपके पास ओनली 100 रुपीज़ है तो आप कैसे मैनेज करेंगे? आपकी शॉपिंग तो 120 रुपीज़ की बन गई है लिस्ट. तो हम क्या करेंगे, यहाँ से एक चीज़ स्लाइस जो है वो माइनस कर देंगे, तो वो 20 रुपीज़ ऑटोमेटिकली कम होंगे, हमारा 100 में सारी शॉपिंग हो जाएगी. कम टू द नेक्स्ट पेज, पेज नंबर 86. On 86 page, there is a recipe to make cheese sandwich. Okay, ingredient list है bread 2 slices, onion half onion चाहिए हमें sliced, cheese 1 slice, cucumber 6 slices, butter 3 tablespoon, salt as per taste, black pepper as per taste. The steps preparing is that step 1, cut the corners of the bread slices. Number 2, step 2, spread butter on bread. Step 3, put onion, cucumber and cheese slice on it. Number 4, pour some salt and pepper and cover with other slice. Step number 5, grease the sandwich maker, put sandwich in it and set timer. And at the last, cheese sandwich is ready. Serve it with ketchup. Page number 87. On page number 87, there is another recipe. The recipe to make egg sandwich. Ingredient list is this: bread 2 slices, eggs 2 चाहिए हमें, beaten egg हो, then onion half onion चाहिए हमें sliced, tomato 4 slices, cucumber 6 slices, butter 4 tablespoon, salt and pepper as per taste. The procedure is that step number 1, cut the corners of the bread and spread some butter on it. Step number 2, set tomato, cucumber and onion slices on it. Step number 3, add salt and pepper in beaten eggs and fry them. Eggs को fry कर लिए. After frying, spread fried egg on it and cover it with other slice. Then step repeat करेंगे. Grease the sandwich maker and put the sandwich in it. Then set the timer. After setting the timer, egg sandwich is ready. So serve it with ketchup. Page number 98. Write down the date and day on this page. We have already discussed this whole page in online class. It is a comprehension passage. हमने रीडिंग कर ली इसकी ऑनलाइन क्लास में. अब रिटन वर्क करेंगे. रीड द पैसेज एंड आंसर द फॉलोइंग क्वेश्चन. नंबर 1 इज lungs. The answer number 1 is lungs. The answer number 2 is blood. The answer number 3 is skin. The answer number 4 is gills. The answer number 5 is noun. Filling the blanks. First blank is oxygen. Second blank is nose. And third blank is holes. Answer the question. How is the oxygen passed around our body? We take in oxygen by nose. It goes down by windpipe into lungs. Question number 2. How do slugs breathe? Slugs have 3 holes to breathe. Slugs have 3 holes to breathe. Question number 3. How does water beetle breathe? Water beetle through little tubes in its tail. Water beetle breathe through little tubes in its tail. Dear students, have you done the last question? Water beetle breathes through little tubes in its tail. The last page, 100. Last page is question number 4. How we can see that there is air in water? When water is heated, air in water starts to escape and bubbles are formed. Number 5. Find any 3 adjectives from the passage and write it here. Spongy, big and little. These are 3 adjectives, right? अब आपने ये जो नीचे आपको दिया गया है ये पिक्चर इसको कलर करना है और इसको लेबल भी करना है आपने, राइट? आपको ये सारा पैराग्राफ पढ़ के यकीनन आइडिया हुआ होगा कि ये क्या चीज़ कहाँ पे है, ठीक है? आपने इसको लेबल करना है. इट्स योर होम टास्क. Inshallah, in online class we will discuss it. Thank you so much for listening. Do your work neat and clean and send your copies for checking after completing your work. Okay? Thank you so much. Allah Hafiz.